Now we will see homogeneous differential equations. A first order first degree differential equation is said to be in the form of homogeneous differential equation if it can be written as dy by dx equals to f of x comma y divided by g of x comma y, where f and g are homogeneous functions of x and y. That means if f and g are homogeneous, then the differential equation is said to be homogeneous. See the example here, dy by dx equals to x plus 3y divided by 2x. Is this differential equation homogeneous? Yes. Why? Why it is homogeneous? Numerator f is homogeneous function. F has two terms, x and 3y. X is a term, 3y is a separate term. When the two terms are of same degree 1, so all the terms of numerator is having degree 1. Therefore, numerator is a homogeneous function. Denominator is also having only one term 2x, which is of degree 1. So, f of x comma y, g of x comma y both are homogeneous. Therefore, this differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. How to solve homogeneous differential equation? We reduce a homogeneous differential equation into variables separable form. To reduce the homogeneous differential equation into variables separable form, we use the substitution y equals to vx. So, the dependent variable y is substituted with a vx. If I differentiate it on both sides with respect to x, derivative of y is dy by dx. On right hand side we have product of functions. So when a product of functions are there, we need to apply UV rule, product rule of differentiation. So when I apply product rule of differentiation, v into derivative of x. What is derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. So v into 1, v plus x into derivative of v, x into dv by dx. So this is the substitution we use. When we substitute y equals to vx, by differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this result. dy by dx equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So using these two relations, we can reduce a given homogeneous differential equation into variables separable form, and then we can solve it. Let us see some examples. The first problem is dy by dx equals to x plus 3y by 2x. Second problem is dy by dx equals to y by x plus tan of y by x. We will solve them one by one. First problem. What is the given problem? Dy by dx equals to x plus 3y by 2x. Okay? Dy by dx equals to x plus 3y by 2x. Is it in homogeneous form? Yes, of course, it is homogeneous differential equation because numerator two terms are of degree 1, denominator only one term which is of degree 1. So all the terms have same powers, same degrees, so the function is homogeneous. If the function is homogeneous, differential equation is also said to be homogeneous. So this is homogeneous differential equation. So how to find the solution? We need to substitute y equals to vx. When you substitute this, differentiate this relation on both sides. When you differentiate y derivative with respect to x, dy by dx equals to, apply product rule, v into derivative of x, 1, v into 1 is v, plus x into derivative of v, so substitute these two relations in the given differential equation. So replace y here, replace dy by dx here. Okay. So on the LHS we have dy by dx. Dy by dx can be replaced with v plus x into dv by dx. Right hand side we have x plus 3y, x plus, replace y with vx and divided by 2x. Simplify. So what are the variables now? I want to reduce this into variables separable. What are the variables in this new equation after substitution? X and v. What are the variables? X and v. So simplify so that you can separate the variables. So if you simplify on the right hand side, x by 2x, x gets cancelled, 1 by 2, plus 3 by 2, x gets cancelled, what remains? V. So bring this v to the other side, x into dv by dx equals to, x into dv by dx equals to, bring this v to the other side, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2v plus v. If you bring this to the other side, it will become minus v. So 3 by 2 minus v, 3 by 2v minus v, what it is? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. So you can write it as x into dv by dx equals to v plus 1 by 2. Now, can we separate the variables? Yes. So replace, let us write in the next page, x into dv by dx equals to v plus 1 by 2. Keep dv here only. Bring this v plus 1 to the other side. So I will get 1 by v plus 1 into dv equals to. Bring this x and dx to the other side. So when they come to the other side, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Already 1 by 2 is there, right, as it is. So now the variables are separated. dv is multiplied with a function of v, dx is multiplied with a function of x. So integrate on both sides. So when you integrate on both sides, integral 1 by 1 plus v dv equals to 1 by 2 is a constant, you write outside, integral 1 by x dx. What is the integral of 1 by x? Integral of 1 by x is log x. Similarly, integral of 1 by v plus 1, log v plus 1 or 1 plus v, both are same. So after integration we will get log 1 plus v equals to 1 by 2 into log x plus integrating constant c. Is the problem over? No, we have to back substitute v. So what is v? Log 1 plus, what is v? Recall our substitution. What is our substitution? Y equals to vx. From this what you can write? From y equals to vx you can write v equals to y by x. So in the final answer, replace v with y by x. Log 1 plus y by x equals to 1 by 2 log x plus c. This is the solution for first differential equation in the homogeneous type. See again, we were given this differential equation dy by dx equals to x plus 3y by 2x. Here both numerator and denominator are homogeneous functions. They are homogeneous functions of degree 1. So since homogeneous functions are there on the right hand side, we are saying this is homogeneous differential equation. So how to solve homogeneous differential equation? Use the substitution and convert this into variable separable. What is the substitution we are using? You remember this. Y equals to Vx is the substitution. So once you remember this, differentiate it on both sides, you will get this relation. Dy by dx equals to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute dy by dx and y here. So when you substitute dy by dx and y, you will get this differential equation. So simplify this so that it can be written as variable separable form. So here is the variables separable form. So after it is reduced into variables separable form, we are integrating on both sides. So after getting the result of integration, we are again back substitution v. What is v? V is nothing but y by x. So this is our solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we will solve the second differential equation. On the homogeneous differential equations, the second problem is dy by dx equals to y by x plus tan y by x. So now we will solve this differential equation. Dy by dx equals to y by x plus tan y by x. Let us write the differential equation given. Dy by dx equals to y by x plus tan y by x. Now, is this equation a homogeneous differential equation? How to decide whether it is homogeneous or not? It is not like the exact form we discussed, something by something, numerator by denominator. Some extra term is also there. If it is only y by x, homogeneous. But extra term is added, tan y by x. How to decide whether tan y by x is homogeneous or not? So, I will give you a hint. Use that hint and verify. What is that hint? F of x comma y is homogeneous if f of kx comma ky equals to k power n into f of x comma y. So this is a mathematical verification. So without any confusion, you can check this condition and decide whether the given function is homogeneous or not. What to check there? How to check it? We have to replace x with kx, y with ky. Then are you able to take k power something common? This is the condition to check. So what you have to do? You have to replace x with kx, y with ky. So in the given function, replace x with kx, y with ky. So what I will get? Ky by kx plus tan ky by kx. Now simplify this. K cancels, k cancels. So what remains? What remains? Y by x plus tan y by x. This is nothing but f of x comma y. So I am starting with f of kx comma ky. So what is the simplification? F of x comma y. So I am able to take k power 0 as common. So nothing is there means k power 0. K power 0 means 1. So the given function on the right hand side is homogeneous. So whenever you get a doubt that the given function is homogeneous or not, you use this condition. You use this condition. F of kx comma ky, you start with f of kx comma ky. In the end, after simplification, you can take k power n as common and remains f of x comma y. Okay. So therefore, as we checked here, the RHS is a homogeneous function. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. So once you identify that differential equation is homogeneous, go for the substitution. So what is the substitution? Y equals to Vx. So when I substitute y equals to Vx, if I differentiate on both sides, dy by dx becomes V plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these two in the given differential equation. So the given differential equation becomes dy by dx is replaced with v plus x into dv by dx. Right hand side, y by x becomes v, tan y by x becomes tan v. So simplify this. If you bring this plus v to the other side, it becomes minus v. Plus v minus v cancels. So vv cancels. So what remains? X into dv by dx equals to tan v. Now separate the variables. dv should be here. Bring this tan v here. It becomes 1 by tan cot v. Bring this dx and x. It becomes dx by x. Now variables are separated. dv is multiplied with a function of v. dx is multiplied with a function of x. So integrate on both sides. So when you integrate on both sides, integral cot v dv equals to integral 1 by x dx. Integral, what is cot theta? So I am writing cot v is equals to cos v by sin v. So what is the denominator? Sin v. Derivative of the denominator, derivative of sin v is cos v dv. So denominator is sin v, derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. So what I will get after integration? Integral cos v dv by sin v. So I will get log sin v. What I will get? If the denominator derivative is in the numerator, the integration equals to log of the denominator. And here 1 by x integral is log x. Integration is completed. So add integrating constant. So you can add c, but already one log is there on LHS, another log is there on RHS. So in order to match this, integrating constant is also conveniently written as log c. When you remove this logarithm on both sides, you will get sin v equals to c log x. When we remove logarithm on both sides, we get sin v equals to cx. Is the answer over? No. Back substitute v. What is v? Y by x. So this is the solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Now, is this a general solution or not? Yes, it is general solution because it is involving one arbitrary constant c. So since the solution is involving arbitrary constant, the solution we obtained here is general solution. Okay, we will see another model in the next class.